Hello, I'm Edward Tarte, math teacher. This is another in a series of solution videos for some of my math challenge videos. The particular math challenge video for this solution video is my Cookie Armies at Peace challenge. Here's how I presented that challenge in the original video. This new challenge is about two armies of cookies. They are the Sugar Cookie Army and the Oatmeal Cookie Army. Each army can be arranged in a perfect square in rows and columns. But these two armies do not fight each other because the two nations have found ways of living together in peace. But the Sugar Cookie Army outnumbers the Oatmeal Cookie Army by exactly 216. And the question is, how many are in each army? Now, I have not given you enough information to answer that question definitively. Based on the information I have given you, there are 4 correct solutions, and I am asking you in this challenge to furnish me all 4 solutions. Here is my solution. We are looking for two square numbers whose difference is 216. And so I write x squared minus y squared equals 216. I factor the left side into x plus y times x minus y. So that equals 216. Since I have factored the left side of that equation, it makes sense for me to factor also the right side of the equation. I have listed here the factors of 216 in pairs. In what I plan to do, I'm going to be adding the two factors, and I will have to get an even number when I do that. I have marked with an arrow the 4 pairs of factors that add up to an even number. They are 2 times 108, 4 times 54, 6 times 36, and 12 times 18. And as we can see, those 4 pairs of factors are going to give us the 4 solutions that I asked for in the challenge. To lead to the first solution, I write x plus y times x minus y equals this first pair of factors that has an arrow, 108 times 2. I set the larger factor x plus y on the left equal to the larger factor on the right, 108, and I set the smaller factor on the left, x minus y, equal to the smaller factor on the right, 2. So I now have these two equations. X plus y equals 108, x minus y equals 2. I add the two equations, giving me 2x equals 110. Dividing both sides by 2, I have x equals 55. Substituting that value into one of the original equations, I get y equals 53. That means that 55 squared minus 53 squared equals 216. And that's true. The numbers are 3025 minus 2809 equals 216. So that is one of the 4 solutions that I asked for. The larger army has 3025 members, the smaller 2809 members. To get a second solution, I take the second pair of factors indicated by an arrow, and I write x plus y equals 54, x minus y equals 4. I add the two equations, 2x equals 58. I divide by 2, x equals 29. Substituting that into one of the equations, either one, y equals 25. That means that 29 squared minus 25 squared equals 216, and indeed that is true. 841 minus 625 equals 216. So in this solution, the larger army has 841 members, the smaller 625 members. For a third solution, I take the third pair of factors indicated by an arrow. I write x plus y equals 36, x minus y equals 6. Adding the two equations, 2x equals 42, dividing by 2, x equals 21, substituting that in one of the original equations, y equals 15. And so 21 squared minus 15 squared equals 216. That's true. 441 minus 225 equals 216. So in this solution, the larger army has 441 members, the smaller 225 members. And to get the final solution, I take the last arrow, those factors, x plus y equals 18, x minus y equals 12. Adding 2x equals 30, dividing by 2, x equals 15, substituting y equals 3. And so 15 squared minus 3 squared equals 216. That's 225 minus 9 equals 216. So in this solution, the larger army has 225 members, the smaller 9 members. So there you have the 4 solutions asked for in the challenge. So that is my solution to the Cookies at Peace video. Thank you for watching this solution video.